guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're getting right into the brows. I am using Control Freak by NYX just to make sure that everything stays in place. I kind of like it, but it's not better than the one by Lancome. Going in with any brow pencil, you can use, well, I use brow pencils, but I could definitely use pomades and fillers as well, but I prefer using the pencil, just a dark brow pencil, going in to shape my brow. It was kind of difficult at the time because I already had the product from the setting gel or the brow gel to kind of keep my brows in place. Cleaning everything up with the E.L.F. Tan Neutral Concealer, going in with a flat concealer brush just to clean and sharpen my brows the way that I desire, and making sure everything is in place. After having everything in place, buffing everything out, I'm going in with my Pretty palette in a turquoise color with a small fluffy brush, and to shape out in my crease area, just to fluff everything out so I can get the shape that I want, going back and forth. You can definitely do smaller circles, but I feel like they took way too much time. And that's why I used a smaller, fluffier brush so I can get the shape that I wanted. Going back in with a dark brown color to blend out towards the end, because I wanted a transition between the two. I know it's more of a dramatic transition, but I liked how it was going to look. I had an idea in my head, so I went with it. Transitioning between the two, the turquoise and the dark brown color, going back and forth, and definitely blending as much as possible because I wanted to have it where you can't tell where one started and one stopped. After that, cleaning up with that flat concealer brush that we used from earlier and the concealer from earlier. Again, it was from E.L.F., the Tan Neutral, and going in and sharpening and cleaning as much as possible. You can definitely use the Vaseline trick, or going in with a Q-tip and some micellar water, but because I know I didn't use a lot of product, I was okay with just cleaning up with concealer. After setting and bringing in more of a shape with a dark brown from earlier, going in with the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette in the color Yodit, and bringing in more of a dramatic look for the lid, blending in between the warmer brown and the darker brown from earlier and blending as much as possible. Finally finishing, we're going in with the Maybelline, with the 332 Golden Caramel and beginning to work on the face. After blending out what we needed for the highlight, focused on the face, we are going to set with our setting powder. The crazy thing about setting powder for me when doing my foundation, underneath my eyes, I have to set really quick. I hate it because especially when the weather gets warmer than what I'm used to, I get creases underneath my eyes ridiculously fast, and I hope it's not just me. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Now we are going to contour the face with a taper brush with our Juvia's Place stick to give our face more dimension, but I do not like that when doing my makeup. I have to set like everything super fast. As soon as I put it on, it got to get set. Okay, I set my contour with the Juvia's Place in Kufuru, and now I'm going in with my water activated palette to give myself a liner. I'm going in with a turquoise color as well with a liner or a fine fiber brush to give myself a sharp line.
I was born feet in the dust. I built my
Okay, peoples, after everything is set with my liner, I am definitely going in with glitter. I needed sparkle for this look. Again, I had an idea in my head for this day, and I am using a turquoise glitter I found off Amazon to go in to give me some awesome shine and glitz to this look. Okay, after putting glitter on both sides, I am definitely going in with the 380 style lashes I found off of Amazon, and then going in my waterline with the NYX concealer and NYX water line pencil or liner pencil in milk. I've been messing up all video. I'm definitely gonna put everything in the description box below. And then going in the waterline with the brown from earlier, that dark brown from earlier, to finish off the look to make sure everything is intact. Giving myself a natural look using Buxom gloss and a brow liner. Finishing off my look with the Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior 1 in the color Amina. And putting that as lightly as I can. That is a awesome palette. If y'all need palettes, Juvia's Place got palettes to give you what you need for your makeup kits, especially if you're a beginning makeup artist or if you're an artist altogether. They have really good quality palettes. I very highly recommend them. So we are finished pretty much with the look, and this is what we got. Thank you so much for spending time with me today to go through a tutorial to show you what I could and could not do. Today has just been a rough day for voiceovers, and I was too lazy to do it again, but it's the dog in the background. Everything I've used will be in the description box below. Again, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and you guys have a blessed day.